So in this video, I'll be turning this old and beat up looking toy box into a beautiful piece you'll want to keep in your home. We're going to take some things away from it and we're going to add to it. We're going to do a lot of cleaning up. You won't recognize it when I'm done. Make sure you stick around till the end. So what I'm using here is some acetone and a chip brush. Just dumping on the acetone and wiping it off, and you can see that it does a pretty good job of cleaning up.
Okay, so I've kind of slacked on recording. I painted this twice. Painted the trim around it twice. I've also painted all the little leggies there twice. Painted it and sanded it and then repainted them so they're on their final coat. All I have to do is protect with poly. Now I am painting the inside of everything. Oh, and I also put on hinges. They are soft close. So it goes down super slow. So no little fingers can get hurt. I think it's pretty cool. It was a pain to figure out, but I don't know if I showed, but I also put lining, well, a runner, a thin, what is that? A 1x1, 1.5 inch maybe. I just cut it and put it in there. So